Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping and immediately creating the working section. Detangle thoroughly so the braid glides. Once done, make a precise part where the braid will sit and clip away loose hair. Grab 3 equal strands at the hairline and hold them between thumb and fingers. Keep gentle tension to avoid puckering. Start by crossing the right strand over the middle, then the left over the new middle. Move purposely. Even small movements keep rows neat and prevent twisting. Once the base is set, you advance with rhythm and control. Each time you cross a strand, add a thin piece of hair from the adjacent area into that same strand before crossing again, and do this on alternating sides. Keep the added pieces uniform so the braid remains balanced. Make sure to maintain steady tension so the braid sits flat and secure. If a piece bunches, pause and realign it with your fingers, then continue. Use a tiny bit of gel to tame flyaways without stiffening the braid. You complete the braid by continuing the same add-in cross pattern down to the nape, then switch to a regular 3-strand braid once no new hair remains. Braid to the ends and secure with a small elastic. Smooth the tail and tuck it under or pin it for a polished finish. If a section looks bulky or twisted, don't panic. Loosen the braid a little toward the problem area, re-separate the last 2 to 3 crosses evenly, then retighten with steady pressure. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.